Today at Purdue Performance, we're going to be showing you how to change the front drop links on your Abarth 500. On our development car here, the passenger side one has completely failed. As you can see, it's come apart. We've already replaced that side, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the driver's side. Now that we've got the car up in the air and the wheel off, we can see the drop link. There's two bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. You want to make sure that the drop link isn't under any tension. You may need to compress the spring a little using a jack underneath the hub here until you can see that the bolts are completely straight. If they're under any tension, you're going to struggle to get the bolts out. We're going to remove the bottom nut first. Now we can take off the top nut. Now that both nuts are off, we can remove the drop link. This one's in not as bad shape as the other side, but we're going to replace it anyway. We've got our new drop link here. We'll put it in place, lining the bolt holes up. I can see here that it's not quite lining up with the bolt hole. So I'm going to compress the spring a little from underneath until it's nice and straight. Now that it's lined up and in the hole, you can put the new nut on, both the top and bottom, and then tighten them up. Now we'll tighten the bottom one first. It doesn't really matter what way you do it, but we'll do the bottom first. And now we can do the top. Now that they're both nice and tight, we can drop the jack back down to release the tension on the spring. And that's it, a nice simple job complete. We can put the wheel back on, lower the car back down, and we're good to go.